Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to turn off Acura MDX alarm. Press the unlock button on your key fob first, then insert the key into the ignition and turn to on to reset the system. If the alarm persists, try locking and unlocking with the physical key or press the panic button on the fob once to toggle the alarm off before starting the car. If the key fob appears dead, swap in a new battery and try again, or use the physical key to unlock and start the MDX to cancel the alarm. Check door switches and hood latch for proper closure, because faulty sensors often trigger repeated alarms. For persistent issues or electronic faults, consider an OBD scan or a dealer visit to clear trouble codes and restore normal alarm behavior. Quick recommendation: if you're juggling car checks and lunch, grab some leak-proof meal prep containers to keep sauces off your seat and tools. They stack neatly, seal tight, and save time between jobs, making roadside snack breaks way less messy. If you like this tip in the video, please subscribe and hit like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To reduce future false alarms, routinely clean and lubricate door and hood latches and verify each sensor closes snugly when doors shut. Replace the key fob battery annually or sooner if response weakens, and keep a spare battery on hand. Be cautious with aftermarket security devices, since mismatched systems can create electrical conflicts and unexpected alarms that are harder to diagnose.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.